Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, in today's session, we are going to make a plan in AutoCAD. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a special video because in my previous videos, what I used to do, I used to just open a plan which is from a live project, and then I tell you that okay, what are the conditions, and on based on that conditions, I have came up with this idea, and this is a final plan. Okay, but this is going to be special because I am going to show you how I am drafting it and what are the different techniques that I am using in the AutoCAD to draft a particular plan. So basically, like first of all, we have the plot, and then we have the like built up area, okay, that we have to finalize according to us, and then we have to start positioning the room. So what is the requirement of the client here? This is the extension of a house. Okay, so this is going to be the first requirement, so I'm just going to write down all the requirements so that you can have a basic idea of what we are going to do in this particular session. Okay, so let's open up with the requirement list. So requirements. Now first requirement is we need to have a 2 BHK house. Okay, and this is going to be extended one. So our let's say east, west, north, south. So yeah, so our west east side and the north side is blocked. Okay, so that means we cannot open any window in east and north side. No windows or doors in east and north side. Okay, north side. Okay, so this is going to be the second challenge that we have to face. Next, what we have, okay, next thing is that you have to make this plan with or without Vastu. That is a facility with us, but we are going to make it with the Vastu. So I will just show you follow the Vastu. Follow Vastu as much as possible. Okay, so this is another thing that we have to keep in mind. And now next is we need to have at least one master bedroom. Okay, so at least, or you can say just one attached toilet and one common toilet. Okay, so this is another requirement by our client. So these are the things that we have to keep in mind, and after that we have to make our plan. Okay, so what is the dimension of the building that we have to check first? Okay, so I have already drawn the dimension. I will just show you. So basically this is the dimension, guys, and this is the plot area, and here I will just mark the dimension first. So on the sides, what we have in the front, that means in the east side we have 29 feet 5 inches. In the west side we have again 29 feet 5 inches, but you can see this is the straight line and this is the inclined line. So this happened because in this side we have 34 feet 2 inches, and on this side we have 31 feet 7 inches. Okay, so dimension is finalized, and based on the dimensions I have made this plot. So what I have considered over here, so I have considered 29 feet by 31 feet. So I have gone with the minimum distance that I can just use, and you can see I will just go with two different concepts over here. So in the first concept, what I am going to do, I will try to put two rooms in the back, and in both the rooms we will try to make a attached bathroom. However, that is not suggested, but this is a requirement of the client, so we will try to follow it. And after that we will also try to follow the Vastu thing over here. So I have already worked on a lot of projects, so I have ready-made stairs over here, so I can just place the stairs in proper position. I can just rotate them and check whether they are fitting in my plan or not. So basically you can see over here it is just giving me a space of 3 feet 1 inches, and that is the maximum space that I can get if I am just going to follow this. So let's mark the dimension first, sorry, the direction first, so that we can have a clear idea of how we are going to deal with all these things. Okay, so here we have chosen another stair over here. So this stair is quarter ton stair. Okay, and even this is a good one, but in my position it is not going to work very well. So I am just going to work on the another concept over here. In this concept, what I have thought, that I will just make 2 rooms in the left side, that is in the north direction I will make 2 rooms, and according to that I am just planning to work on this. So first of all I need to make a like 10 inches wall around the staircase. So I have gone with that. Then how much space I have left? So I have 13 feet of the space for the room almost, and then 6 feet of the bathroom is there. And after that, what I need to think, I need to place the kitchen over here. I need to place 2 bedrooms, and 1 bedroom should have, like at least 1 bedroom should have attached bathroom. Otherwise, if it is possible, then we have to attach the bathroom is both the bedrooms. Okay, so in the same manner we have to just progress. So let's think what we can do over here. Okay, so first of all we will have to just trim out every the portion, and while we are trimming we will just think about the different parameters, and we will work on that. Okay, so here in the left, that means in the southwest corner, we can have the staircase. After that we can have a common bathroom. After that we can have a attached bathroom space for our client, which can be used for the master bedroom over here. Okay, and then what we can do, we can just go ahead and mark it for the rooms. Okay, one more thing that my client has already told me, that we can extend in the west side and the east side by 3 feet, because the space for the balcony has already been left, and they have left almost 6 feet of the spaces in these 2 directions. So we can extend it. So I'm not going to make the 6 feet bathroom completely inside this building, or you can say in this plot area. So this is going to be the first floor. Let me clarify you that I will just use the 3 feet in the extended portion, and 3 feet I will use in the inside portion over here. Okay, and then I will just extrude for the balcony by 3 feet, and then I can just cover it with 5 inches wall, because 10 inches wall is not mandatory if you are working on the first floor. Yeah, but if you are on the ground floor, then you should try to make a 10 inches wall as the outer wall, and the inner wall you can just keep as 5 inches. Okay, now guys, I think you are getting a lot of concepts in this video. So if you want to also join the professional training that is being offered by our team, so you can just give us a call on 8433248864. My number is already in the description, so you can just check it out from there. And yeah, now let's try to make the kitchen space over here. So on this place, you can see here I have to open up with the a gate that is that will help the clients to go from the old building to the new building. Okay, so that is the one thing that we have to do. And then what we have to do, we need to just make the passage for the another toilet, that is the attached toilet, and that's because we do not have the space for the window over here. So we need to just provide the window, and that can be opened in the west side of the building, and for that we can just open it like that. Okay, because the east side and north side are completely blocked. In the east side they have their own building, in the north side they have another building, and that is being constructed over here. I guess if you have checked out my shots, so then you would have found out that okay, we have some work over there that is ongoing. Okay, so yeah, even I will just keep you updating on that site also. So stay tuned to the Civil Raja. So for that, what you have to do, you have to do a simple thing. You have to simply subscribe to Civil Raja YouTube channel. Okay, and you can also have my number. It's 8433248864. and we are coming back to our plan. So you can see over here I have specified the spaces for like 2 bedrooms over here. So first bedroom can be of larger size because this has to be distributed between the two brothers. So obviously they would love to have equal square feet like area, at least if they are not getting the bathroom attachment, and then at least they should have like equal area in the rooms. So we will try to just uh, like divide the area equally in this particular process. Okay, so now this is our dimension layout, which is kind of giving us an idea of what we have to do. So let's make another copy of it and let's mark the dimensions and check whether we are having the enough spaces to open up the rooms and the doors, everything. Okay, so I guess 3 feet 9 inches were more over there, and we just need a 3 feet 3 inches. So I can just provide that 6 inches extra to this particular room, which is not having the attached bathroom over here, so that everyone can have a upper hand, like both the brothers can have upper hand over here. So if one brother is using the bedroom with attached bathroom, he will have the smaller room, or you can say he is having the benefit that the attached bathroom is there, and the one with no bathroom attached to it, he will have a bigger area over here. So let's calculate the area. So it's coming like 343 over here. Okay, and we will, if you will just deduct the spaces area for the wall, then it will slightly reduce, to be exact it will be reduced by 5 square feet. Okay, so let's check the areas and equally distribute the areas, and after that we will just for the area checking. Okay, I guess you already know that we have the command of AR enter. Okay, and you have to then select all the boundaries where you want to check the areas, and accordingly you can simply check it. Now it's time to make the openings for the door. So obviously you know the dimension of the doors, and if you don't know it yet and you want to learn everything from me, then you can simply just give me a call on 8433248864, or you can install the Android app of Civil Raja. Over there I have like complete course of building planning that is available in Hindi, and in English you will find the complete course on AutoCAD. So in that course I have already discussed like what should be the dimension of the particular door or particular window in any particular room. Like for the toilet, we need to have a door of 2 feet 6 inches. For bedrooms, so we will have to go with the door of 3 feet 3 inches. So these are the things that you can learn in the professional training program that is being offered by us. And guys, if you haven't liked the video yet, then hit the like button, because that will motivate me to make more videos over here. Now you can see I have the doors that I have picked from the earlier project, but for the windows I need to construct one, or you can say I need to just draft one over here. Okay, now yeah, windows are quite easy to make. So you have to just use your offset skills, and then you have to use your hash skills, and then you can just make them block, and then you can press properly place the windows wherever you want to place it. So if you want to place the windows initially, then try to place them in the middle of the wall. Okay, and after the furniture layout, you can just slide them a little left or right, so wherever it is fitting you can slide it accordingly. Now I have already made the chhaja in some windows. So obviously if the windows are opening in the inner portion of the building, like in the first room, or you can say the bedroom too, if we are opening a window over there, then obviously we do not need any kind of chhaja over there, so chhaja can be removed. So I have just unblocked everything, and for that I have used the explode command, and then I have placed the window over here. And now I have used the bed from the previous projects. From the same project I'm using the chair table. So I guess you have seen my video on furniture layout. So in that video I have explained properly how to use the furnitures in your particular project. And in that previous video I have started everything from the scratch. So if you have not get notified about that video, then that is only because you have not subscribed the channel yet and you have not pressed the bell icon. So what you have to do, you have to simply just subscribe to Civil Raja, and then you have to press the bell icon so that whenever I'm going with a important video that can help you out with your drafting skills or structural design skills, or even if you are someone who is willing to like make a house of his own and you want to get some ideas, then you can also use the channel, because my channel is flooded with the videos of plan study. Okay, so you can just check it out over here. Now, what you can see over here, that I'm just using a different bed for the different rooms, because the bed size is different, and I need to like properly accommodate all the sizes over here. Then I'm just trying to place some hatch in the like wooden work that I'm planning to provide over there. Then for the slab, I'm just going to go with concrete hatches, so that it can be clearly visible that okay, this is the hatch, this hatch portion is the slab. Okay, then I will just like bring the sofa, and everything is in the perfect dimensions, so that whenever I'm trying to place the furnitures in my actual building, or you can say after the construction, then I do not have to like think like where I have to place this thing, where I have to place this thing, which can be the best place. So for that, we need to prepare the furniture layout that helps us to identify the situations beforehand. Like we do not need to hold the actual fridge and then think that okay, where I have to place this particular fridge. We can simply just try positioning this in our plans, and this will make the life of the client very easy. And if you are a client and you want me to make a plan for you, then again, my contact number is in the description. You can just give me a call, or you can just WhatsApp me. And for like to be frank, the current charges that I am taking is like same as you can find with any architect or civil engineer. Actually, it's cheaper than the architect, but yeah, for the civil engineers, it's the standard rate. So you can just pay nominal fees over here, and I will make a beautiful plan for your house. So if you want to go with that, then you can just give me a WhatsApp, or you can give me a call. Now, what I have to do over here, like in my previous project, I haven't used the bathtub or the western toilet, I guess, and so I can just simply pick this from this furniture layout. Okay, the file that is over here. And if you are a civil engineer or an architect and you want to get this file, then you can also join the same program, and I will share these files with you for free. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to like place this in a proper dimension first, and after that I can use this in my project. So I am just using my align command, and then the block commands are being used over here. So just everything can come up in a particular dimension, and then I will try to like place these things. I will try to rotate it. I will mark the dimensions. I will check the dimensions, and I will try to bring everything in the proper dimension first, so that I can see whether this like size is possible in my existing bathroom or not. I'm just talking about the bathroom. Okay, so for that I need to make the possibility. Again, there is another benefit of the furniture layout. Like if you are making the furniture layout, you can pre-decide like where should be the plumbing work to be done in the in the floor. And again, it will help you to go with the electrical layout of the plan also. Okay, so furniture layout is very much important. Even if you are not going with the furniture layout, then clients will pay you. But yeah, if you are just giving them the furniture layout, then the work for them is going to be very easy. Okay, when it comes to like go for the plumbing work or the electrical work, or even the arrangement of the particular furnitures in the building. Okay, so everything is going to be very impressive, and furniture layout plan is also looks impressive. So if you want to impress your clients, you can also learn this. Okay, this won't take much, maybe it will take 1 hour more than your usual planning speed. Okay, 1 hour, or maybe sometimes it may take 2. So this will be the case for initial few projects, but once you are pro in this, then you will simply find that okay, it is very easy to do, and you will just do it in no time. So everything is depending upon the practice. Like however the more you practice, the more proficient you get over here. So you can see I am getting the space for this like fridge and the dining table and everything over here, but that doesn't look very good over here. So we will have to come back to this and fix it. For now we will just try to fix other things also. Okay, so wherever we will just try different arrangements over here, and whichever arrangement is like suiting our requirement best, we will just go with that. Like I have just switched the positions of the door and windows, and now the dining table can be placed. And if I will just replay, like you can say, reposition the fridge over here, then it will give me a ample space for the dining table. But yeah, obviously my slab is if I will just go with this arrangement of the slab, then this is not giving me very much space, so I need to just make another slab over here. Okay, so this slab can be of 2 feet wide. Okay, and I can just place my chulha over here, and then after that we can just use a chimney, and I can just place the fridge beside the sofa. I guess that will give me more space over here, and that is not obstructing with any of the movement in my building, so I can just go with that also. Now that is kind of good. Now what I have to do next, I have to simply just mark everything over here in the proper dimensions, so that the clients can understand that what is the dimension of any particular thing that is being placed over here. Okay, so I have marked the attached toilet, then the dimension of the master bedroom should also be marked. Okay, so that can be 13 feet 10 inches by 14 feet 7 inches, and then we have another bedroom that is 13 feet 10 inches by 15 feet 2 inches. Okay, so this is kind of good. Okay, let's see what else can be done. Okay, I need to like provide some hatch over here, because hatching will help us out. Okay, but before that, let's trim every portion over here, and let's try to place the hatches in the proper manner. Okay, so hatching can sometimes give you a hard time, but there is a hack for that also, but that I will teach you in the professional class, not over here. So join our professional training, and we will meet soon. Until then, this is the final plan that you can see over here. What I have to do next, I have to simply just name the plan and change the date. So I have already prepared the template, so this work is going to be very easy for me. Now you can see, guys, so here is the final plan. As we will just move over here, we will just reach to the reach to the hall area. Okay, after that, this on the left we have the kitchen dining area, then the drawing area you can see, and then we have this opening for the balcony. We have a common toilet, we have a master bedroom, attached toilet, and we have another bedroom over here, and here we have our stairs. Okay, so that is the case, guys, and I hope you have liked this plan. And if you have any ideas on how to make this plan better, then you are free to suggest all those ideas, okay, with me, and I will definitely try to implement that. And if you want to learn or like how to do the planning and everything, then you can simply just connect me on 8433248864. My number is also in the description. Go ahead, check it out, and give me a call, guys. Okay, I'm waiting for your call. Thank you. And one more thing, yeah, just hit the like button for this video, and share this video as much as possible. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to Civil Raja. Thank you, guys.